Hello everyone, my name is Martin Lingsfeld and I'm Master Chef in FoggyKitchen.com. In this brand new video, I would like to show you how to utilize OCI Marketplace images for deploying compute instances. For your information, this video has been fully inspired by one of the members of our LinkedIn community group. I have been asked about how to do it with Terraform instead of using OCI CLI. For your information, OCI CLI-based procedure has been documented in a form of a blog post at Foggy Kitchen by my good mate and our cook Mattia. So this video is a kind of an extension to his How2 blog post. Okay, let's roll. One more thing. If you are new to this channel, I really encourage you to subscribe it. I hope you will find it useful for your current and future work. Real quick thing, closer look at our topology diagram. As you can see, we will have not so complicated infrastructure, just one VCN and one public subnet with access to the internet, and we will have one machine which will be deployed with a RocketChat image which is available in our marketplace. And that's it. Let's go to next slide. Before going to the code for a review, let me show you this resources graph, which is pretty complicated. I don't want to go deep into this dependency, but let me show you something. First of all, you need to understand that for OCI Marketplace listing, we need to build a filter, right? And this filter will extract RocketChat. Next, we need to use resource, which is called OCI Marketplace accepted agreement, which will do the same thing as we used to do in Cloud Console, right? So we will approve, we will accept this agreement, right? And also, we need to use a resource which is called OCI Core App Catalog Subscription just to deploy the applications from the marketplace into a particular compartment, right? And ultimately, we will be able to reference our OCI Core App Catalog Listing resource version and extract listing resource ID just to cast it into source ID in our instance. And it means it will use the proper image for our deployment. Looks complicated? Let me show you that inside the code. This is a local clone of my repo, which is currently available on GitHub. And as you can see, we are building simple VCN with simple subnet, which is public, right? We have some security list, we have some internet gateway, we have DHCP options and the route table, but the most important thing here is our RocketChat server, right? And for source detail, as you can see, we have source ID, which is not using any OCID from OCI, Oracle provided images. We are referencing something different, right? So as I have said on the previous slide, we are referencing OCI Core App Catalog Listing resource version, and then we are extracting listing resource ID, and that stuff should be populated before. And as you can see, we have additional file marketplace, and we have a lot of resources and data to browse, and I don't want to focus too much on that because, as I have shown you on the previous slide, it's pretty complicated, but keep in mind this place, right? Here we are extracting, as I have said, RocketChat and the image which is free, right? And that is mostly all, and let me go directly to our console. I'm currently in a console, so and in a marketplace, right? And let me extract images and then free images. And as you can see, we have RocketChat here, right? Of course, we can agree and accept the agreement, right? And we can launch that instance, but instead of that, we will try to do it from Terraform, right? So let me return back to our Cloud Shell, and here we will clone my repository, right? And now we have code here, okay? Now I will run Terraform init, and all of the providers will be downloaded. And now I will run Terraform plan. But as you can see, it is asking for fingerprint. Because we are working in a Cloud Shell, I will fix code a little bit. So it means I will remove OCID, fingerprint, and private key path from here, and I will also remove it from variables. Because when we work in a Cloud Shell, it is not necessary. And now Terraform plan should work smoothly. Okay, there is a plan to create 11 resources, so let me run Terraform apply. And I will type yes, and as you can see, the instance is in the middle. So let me go to compute, and we have Foggy Kitchen RocketChat. Let me go inside, and as you can see, we are using RocketChat version 249, right? So I will wait until the whole thing will be finished, and I will show you how to access RocketChat from web browser. Okay, looks like Terraform apply has been finished. As you can see, machine is in green, is running. So let me pick up this public IP address, and let me go here to port 3000, which is a port on which RocketChat is working. And here we can create a configuration, and it looks like our RocketChat has been deployed successfully. And that is all for a moment, and thank you for watching, and see you soon.